What's going on, y'all? Welcome to Meat Cranium. Today I'm going to be doing a seafood boil. However, it's not going to be the traditional method. All right, this is how seafood boils usually are. I'm going to be doing something that's a lot easier. This is going to be in foil packs, and actually I'm going to put everything in a foil tray here. I'm going to cover this all with foil and make a nice seafood boil. Right side there. Pretty easy. Anyhow, I already got the charcoals lit and started. Now it's just time to get everything prepared. Potatoes and the corn first. Get those going. Then I'll move into the other things. All right, let's get started. These are some yellow potatoes. Just gonna take these, kind of cut these down a little bit, maybe into fours. Okay, like that. Smaller ones, just cut them in half. Sun's going down. let's give this a try. Here's the shrimp. This New Bay seasoning. This is from Heaven Made Products. This stuff is incredible, and they also actually make it's incredible too. Whatever. That's it. So easy, simple seafood boil. If you want to do it right there on your kettle. You can do this in your oven. You can do it any way you want to. You don't need the big pot. This right here, super simple, super easy. You still get yourself a crab boil. Anyhow, like, subscribe. I'll see you next week. Ciao.